I'm ready, man.
He's always ready.
Yeah. Let's get it. Yo. Man, I'm talking about the real flow. Gotta get that back, everybody wanna spit that, but I never really know. But I'm rapping that in this game right now. Everybody wanna talk about the pain right now, but I got that shit and I put you to that shame. I'm talking lame right now, like nobody epic. I'm feeling like I'm going spit a septic, then I spit that septic flow like you could never accept it. I'm talking receptors every time that I left off. They could call me Frogger cause I'm jumping over rivers like ribbonist, and I got that shit like dividends I'm living in. They talking about what I got right now, but I pipe right down, but I shut them right down. Everybody wanna know everything I do, but I got that gratitude, and then I hit you like an earthquake, talking real magnitude, but I'm off that Richter scale, and you wanna get that back, but I be talking dragon scales. I spit that fire like a fucking fire, then I go like I'm in denial. They wanna know what I be doing, sharper than a file. Damn, y'all better check on all my receptors. I got that game rejecting and everybody rejecting, but everything that I'm doing is lethal injection flows. Spectators fucking get it, but I really on a roll. But I just got it for the shows on toes of the game right now. Everybody wanna take about that game, but I'm never down, but I pain right now. Get it to the game, then I'm talking about they fame. I put these bitches to shame, cause they never knew my lane. Like I'm going in a fast lane, passing gas while I be on that game. I'm going faster than your ass. Come around the world and then I hit you like I never crashed. Y'all be on that 5-hour energy, but I'm on that shit like synergy. I can never lose it when I'm kinetic. They wanna talk in everything I'm doing, like medic to the medication, talking about my dislocation. I make you bitches relocated, then I reinstate it. Like damn, I'm talking about that new estate flow, like I'm always on a roll, and I'm always gonna show everything I'm doing. No contest at the best, make these bitches feel it like they only feel fucking stressed. Damn, I know I was just destined to tear apart. I make these bitches get it going, then I make them tear apart like bow now, but slow down. Everybody wanna go down, never know how. Ha, man, I did it so fast, and I hit these bitches, and then they really know, but I got that shit so silly, bro. Then these bitches said that affiliated with all my flows, like damn, I'm bringing all my jam. I go up in the palm trees, talking about the Florida flow, like Florida gets it, and they going like a gator, biting like an allegation, never knowing when I play this. I'm about to stop right now, cause I don't even know what I be doing, pursuing everything that you can't be doing. Yeah, we talking ransom with the beat. Throw it on the ground, take a bow, trick or treat, Halloween every night, and always in sight of everything that I'm doing, man. I'm taking off in flight. Right here.
Alright.
Yo, man, talking about that smooth walking. Y'all bitches be talking and never know what I'm talking. Damn, I'm about to fuck it up, like light it up and taking off and flight, and then I make these bitches write it up. Like talking about the lyrical lyricism. They talking everything they doing like fast, and I'm hitting these bitches with the resin. I'm rat-a-tat-tag. I'm coming with a Mac. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm always in attack. Like damn, from the front to the motherfucking back. You bitches better be ready, cause I'm coming for the sun. And I gotta thump while you bump in the music. I be hitting that. Everybody sitting that. Take one shot and I always am pursuing insinuations. Everything I'm doing. I said I am accruing everything that you can't be doing. I said I get it to the top and pop off with the topic. I'm going and then they drop it, but I never know when or how. But I hit these bitches cause they fat. We call these bitches cow. Like wow, man, I hit them with a pow. 57 bring you right to heaven and bring you right back to the throw you to the doom. Consume what I did like a shroom. If these bitches talking tripping, then they on the acid in the bathroom. But I ain't talking about the bath salts. Y'all be in apocalypse like vampires, but I got a zombie flow like I hit it down dead and never really know. Bitches talking Sagittarius, I'm on another the flow. Damn, they wanna know what I'ma do, man. I hit it on the top. They told me go and pursue it, damn. Yeah, we talking real with the realness. Talking about what you be doing, man. You feel this? Yeah, bump this in your car every time that you wheel up. You still up, but never know if you're up. Like damn. Affiliated flows, getting ready for anything. The Abadati dough, but they do it down, dumb it down. But I run that game and I numb it down, but never know what I'm doing. I just hit you in that brain, morphine to the name, but I never know the lane. And if they talking about they about to get it, then they gain. Yeah, but I go I'm around it back, but my name is Insinuation with a game of an attack. Like 20/20 vision, if they talking what they living, then they better be reliving everything that I'm living. I said I got a dividends I'm living in right now, but I shut them right down with that 9 right now. I said I sit upon it, cause they told me be upon it. Man, I'm on a different level that you never could be on it, huh? J-Dot.
Hey guys, Insinuation 20 here again today, and if you enjoyed today's video of my friend J-Dot rapping or whatever, I think he's an amazing rapper, and you guys should definitely check out his channel. There's a link in the description and an annotation on the screen to his channel, and if you guys want to see more videos, I'll try and get with him to do him in actual Call of Duty lobbies or something, rapping and getting reactions. So if you guys do want to see videos like that, just leave a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe to J-Dot. And peace.